Hello wonderful people, thank you so much for following my videos, watching my videos and learning from them. Today I have come up with the most important and most wonderful series of videos. So I am going to provide you 10 videos how to start your speech, right? So don't ever make that mistake of missing even one video, right? So yes, 10 videos and 10 tricks how to start your speech. So let's start with the number one. So number one trick is start with a thank you. Right? So you can just say that, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, or suppose the anchor has introduced you, right? So you can say that thank you so much for the amazing introduction, right? Or you can also start off like, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to address this amazing audience. Okay, so that is the safest, risk-free and the most easiest way to start your speech is by thanking people. You can also thank people, who have come from a lot of different places, like maybe some people might have come from far off places just to, watch your speech, just to listen to you. So give respect to them, like acknowledge their efforts to come to you and acknowledge their efforts to, invest the time in their self-development. So they will feel valued and they will listen to you. Yes, so what I do is, while I do my webinars, like there are many people from different cities, attending my webinar. So I thank all of them. I mean, I start like, okay, who is from Delhi, who is from Gurgaon, who is from Mumbai, who is from Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, right? So thank you so much for making this a priority to come to the webinar today. You might have, gone to somewhere else on a Sunday morning, or maybe had a coffee, or you might have gone for a family outing, but you're here and I really appreciate your efforts. I really, acknowledge your efforts and thank you so much for being here today. Okay, so keep watching and stay tuned for the trick number 2. Keep watching.